Hi guys, I made these. You can't see them, but check it out. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've done anything more on the art side of things and less sort of crafty DIY. So I thought that I would do something a little bit different today. I would like to try a collage. Now granted, I have of course made collages before, but it's been a while, so I thought that might be something interesting and different to do today. You know that I like to do things that I don't really know how to do.
So here I go again.
I have, it's basically a cardstock, so that'll be my base. I have two pieces so that I can do two different collages. I have scrappy paper, gift wrap, with some dust on it, sort of patterned paper. I've got the ads. I might cut something out of there. I also have a box of paper odds and ends, origami paper, patterned paper, all kinds of stuff over there that I can tear up or cut up or something and make the collage. So let's get to it. So my first idea was to make sort of a village on a cliffside with some like really bright tropical little houses sort of sitting on the cliff, and it's all bright and warm and tropical. So we'll see how that goes, but in my head it looks adorable. That's working out for the ocean. I wish that I were at the ocean, or if I went to the ocean that it wouldn't be like 20 degrees. This is supposed to look like vegetation at the top of the hill. It looks a little bit more like sauce, which could be because I cut it out of food and it basically is the topping.
That could be it.
I feel like my gluing skills are a disgrace to children everywhere.
I apologize.
I have to keep reminding myself it is not supposed to look realistic.
It's the feeling that we're going for.
I should maybe do more collage to get out of my brain just a little bit more. You can't really see it on camera, but I have background! Yay! Now I need houses. Just in case we need to pinpoint later where it is that it all went wrong, this is the moment when I've decided to cut out cilantro to use as little trees on top of the cliff. Because who doesn't need a little cilantro tree? Nah, I do. I need it. That's who. Am I making tiny people now? Yes. Will I probably regret it?
I don't know.
I don't think so. The windows are really funny. I have to admit, they make me laugh. I especially like the one that is an actual window and clearly, so clearly, like a suburban backyard. That's not the reflection that you would have on these windows. That's okay, because they're funny. That's very, that's funny. That's funny, I like that. I like how it turned out. My next plan is to make more of a character. I've been working on this character, which you can't really see. There she is. If you enjoy her, you should check out my Instagram because I do like to draw her. Her/me, it's kind of me in weird cartoon form. So check out my Instagram. I do try to put my sketchbook stuff in every day. I don't always, but I try to post every day. So whatever I'm working on, I'll put the Instagram here and also at the end of the video. So I'm gonna do that one next and we'll see how it turns out. This is so much funnier than I could ever have imagined. I'll have to take a picture of it. It doesn't come out very well. But these were really fun to do. I wasn't sure how much I would enjoy making the collages. I don't know. I'm holding up like you can see them. I'll take a picture. This was really fun and it was nice to do something a little bit different. This one is hilarious. They were much, much funnier than I could ever have anticipated. And that's nice because it's nice to do things that are completely unexpected every once in a while. I like to do things that make me think a little bit differently because otherwise I'm doing the same thing over and over, and I do not like to do the same thing over and over. I like to do weird things. You may have noticed that if you've been watching this channel, I do enjoy a little bit of weird. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you are subscribed and click the notification button. I do make videos every Tuesday and Saturday, so you want to make sure that you know every single time that a new one comes out. You wouldn't want to miss a gem like this. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you check out my Instagram, which is just at Assembly Required Crafts, if you would like to see this character way more often, because I love her. So I am trying to post regularly. Regular is hard for me, but I am trying. I'm trying to do at least once a day. So check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you can think of something else weird and different that you'd like me to try, leave me a comment. If you liked these, also leave me a comment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And I hope that I will see you next time. Make sure you click all of the buttons. And thanks for watching. Bye!